How to create an AOL mail account. Now in order to create an AOL mail account, just simply open either your mobile app or the website of AOL Mail, and from this homepage you need to tap to the option of Inbox, and once you tap to the Inbox button you are going to be in the login page. From here, in order to create an account, you will directly get this button of create an account. Tap to create an account and it will show you this create an account page in AOL Mail. Now from here you need to enter your full name, and after that create a new email address for AOL Mail and create a password for that specific email. Then after entering these credentials, enter your date of birth, then check this box which will agree the terms and services of AOL Mail. You can also read them if you don't wanna agree to it straight out, and after doing all these, tap to next button, and after doing this much, your AOL Mail account will successfully be created. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.